On this first look, we have a beautiful 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible. Now, this car comes from a consignor that bought it at our auction, but the builder is one that we've known forever. He cut his teeth doing these, and he is known for the Tri-Fi Chevys stock. Then he started building some customized ones. So this beautiful black on black, it has an 430 horsepower LS3 tied to a 4L65 automatic transmission. It sits on an Art Morrison sport chassis, has chrome front and rear suspension on it. It is just done spectacularly. Has the four-wheel disc brakes, has every kind of creature comfort you would want on it, has Bluetooth, but the way it's done so tastefully, the way the stereo is integrated into it, all power on it, it is absolutely stunning, the work that Patrick does. When I first saw this car and he started getting into building some of these resto mods, I was like, wow, the attention to detail. The power top here is done in a European cloth, so he blends some of that automotive restore attention to detail and the high quality of the soft goods, not just the technology and the resto mod parts. This is coming to you at no reserve to our 2022 Palm Beach auction, April 7th through the 9th. Check it out on our website. See you in Palm Beach.